Alright guys, welcome back. So I finally have it, the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G. Really excited for this phone because I have a sweet spot for OnePlus as a company and their phones. So let's do this unboxing. So there's two really important things that I need you guys to do before we continue with the unboxing. First thing is I really need you to hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you a thing, really helps me grow faster. And second of all, I'll leave my personalized referral link. So if you're planning on buying this particular phone or any other accessories, check out the link, it'll save you some money. Let's get started on this OnePlus 9 Pro. Pretty simple box from OnePlus. This is the OnePlus 9 Pro version. So they introduced two versions. The first one is OnePlus 9 Pro, and then the other one is just the OnePlus 9. This is going to be the OnePlus 9 Pro with that really nice Hasselblad camera and a bunch of other extra features. Now, let's unbox this. Prior to that, simple box, like I mentioned, it says OnePlus 9 Pro up here. Co-developed by Hasselblad. So Hasselblad has been working with OnePlus for this phone and the future 2 or 3 more phones that are going to come out through OnePlus, developing on their color science for their cameras. So the future photos and the videos that you will be taking on your OnePlus phones will be much better than they have been on the previous versions. Now, as somebody coming from the OnePlus 7, I can tell you that my pictures were decent, but not great. And the reason being is it was just a little bit too vivid for me. So let's take a look at this. So this is pretty much it for the phone right here. Two versions of this. This is the Morning Mist, and then the other color is called the Pine Green. Now this retails for $1069 on the US website and $14.99 on the Canadian website. That is super expensive for a smartphone. But let me know in the comment section what your thoughts are about this particular phone and how you think it will stack up to the other devices. Let's take this out. So it's pretty simple, pretty nice version. What you can see over here, you get your Hasselblad cameras, you get your main camera, ultra wide camera, and telephoto camera. And then there's also a monochrome camera, which I don't think anybody will use, but we have now the capability of recording 8K video at 30 frames per second. And I really want to test this phone out to my iPhone 12 Pro Max to see what the difference is in terms of the video quality as well as the image quality. But let me know what you guys think about this version right here and this color. Do you like this one better, or do you want to go for the Pine Green in the comment section down below? And the other reason why I mentioned for you to subscribe so you don't miss out the unboxing and review for the OnePlus Bud Z, the Steve Harrington edition. I got this free with the OnePlus 9 Pro. I'll leave this here. But even more importantly are the case reviews that are going to be coming out. So make sure you don't miss out on that unboxing and review for this Android case and then my favorite sandstone case. So we're going to lift this up using this flap over here. Underneath it we'll get our OnePlus Warp Charge 65 power adapter as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable, which is red just like the color for the box, and nothing coming out of here. Everything else is located on the inside. And here we will have the SIM card tool, your manuals. So we're finally back. So out of the box, what you get is your charging brick, your cable, your SIM card ejector, your manuals with the OnePlus stickers, and finally the actual device, the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G version. Let's unwrap this and power it on, and I'll give you my honest impressions, my first impressions of this phone, my first time holding it. Feels really nice, feels like every other OnePlus device that I've owned, like the OnePlus 7 Pro, which I still have and I use it once in a while. It looks really nice. It looks a little bit bigger than, your typical devices. I mean, let's compare it to my iPhone 12 Pro. You can see it's a little bit longer, but it's also skinnier than my iPhone 12 Pro. It feels a little bit lighter than my 12 Pro, but let's unwrap this. So you have your little wrapper over here. So at the bottom, you just get that single USB-C port over here, and then on the left side you'll get your traditional volume rockers, right? And on the right side you'll get your power button over here, and then over here the traditional OnePlus slider, silent, and vibrate function. So let's power this on. Overall it feels really nice. Like I love the OnePlus 7 Pro. The OnePlus 8 was decent, wasn't that great, wasn't that much of an improvement, but with this I'm really excited to see what they're able to do with this camera. Is it worth the hype, or is it just going to be another marketing gimmick? At the back it's really shiny, but I'm really interested to test out these Hasselblad cameras, and I'm going to compare them to my iPhone 12 Pro. Let me know in the comment section what you want me to test out in terms of the photography, whether it's landscape or macro photography or even videography with the OnePlus 9 Pro's Hasselblad cameras. That's pretty much it for this really quick unboxing. I'll do the review for the cases, and if you want, I can do the review for these buds over here, which I'm kind of curious about because I've had the OnePlus buds before. They weren't that great. And here's pretty much it for the quick unboxing for the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G with those Hasselblad cameras up here. And so far, really nice. And this is shiny, which I'm a little bit scared of because if you drop this, it's all glass at the back. It's going to crack easy. I wonder if it's going to show scratches really easy too. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this quick video, and let me know in the comment section what you want to see in the future videos, as well as what you want me to test out in the review for the OnePlus 9 Pro. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe as always. Bye.